In this video, I'm going to show you another potential winning product and do some competitor and content research. Let's play the video. So as you can see, this is a hidden furniture connecting screw. And this video will demonstrate how this screw works. So it cannot be seen anywhere. All right, so you get the idea. Let's do some computer research, and for that we just have to click on this button and go to the Shopify tab. As we can see, there is no one currently selling this product by using these images. Okay, let's do some content research, and for that we just have to take the title of this product, go back to Super Elite dashboard, paste the title here, select videos only. In the advanced filters, select import date as all time and hit search. And as you can see, all the titles which have the color changed here, these are the titles for the product which have videos in it and which are the same product as well. 4 5, quite a few listings here. All right, so you get the idea. If you understand the market well, then definitely give this product a try. Let me know how it works out for you, and I'll see you in the next video.